Garlic, known for its distinctive flavor and numerous health benefits, is a staple ingredient in many cuisines around the world. It has earned a reputation as a natural remedy for various health concerns. However, it's important to note that while garlic can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet, there are specific health issues and situations in which individuals should exercise caution or avoid garlic consumption altogether. 1. Digestive issues. For some individuals, garlic can be hard on the digestive system. Garlic contains fructans, a type of carbohydrate that can cause gastrointestinal discomfort in people with sensitive stomachs. Common symptoms may include gas, bloating, and heartburn. If you experience these issues after consuming garlic, it's advisable to limit your intake or consider alternative seasonings. 2. Bleeding disorders. Garlic has natural anticoagulant properties, which means it can help prevent blood clotting. While this property can be beneficial for individuals seeking to improve heart health, it can pose a risk to those with bleeding disorders, such as hemophilia. Additionally, individuals taking blood-thinning medications, like warfarin, should be cautious about consuming excessive amounts of garlic, as it may increase the risk of bleeding. 3. Surgery. If you have a surgical procedure scheduled, it's essential to be mindful of your garlic consumption leading up to the surgery. Garlic's anticoagulant properties can interfere with blood clotting during surgical procedures, potentially resulting in excessive bleeding. Healthcare providers typically advise patients to avoid garlic for several weeks before surgery to minimize this risk. 4. Garlic allergy. While relatively rare, some individuals may be allergic to garlic. Garlic allergy symptoms can range from mild to severe and may include hives, itching, swelling, digestive upset, or difficulty breathing. If you suspect you have a garlic allergy, it's crucial to avoid garlic entirely and seek immediate medical attention if you experience severe allergic reactions. 5. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. Garlic may relax the lower esophageal sphincter, which can allow stomach acid to flow back into the esophagus. This can exacerbate symptoms of GERD, a condition characterized by chronic acid reflux. Individuals with GERD should monitor their garlic intake and consider reducing or eliminating it from their diet if it worsens their symptoms. 6. Medication interactions. Garlic supplements, in particular, can interact with certain medications. These interactions can be of concern for individuals taking anticoagulants, antiplatelet drugs, or some HIV medications. Garlic's natural anticoagulant properties can potentially enhance the effects of these medications, leading to an increased risk of bleeding or other adverse reactions. If you are taking any medications, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider to determine whether garlic consumption is safe for you. 7. Upset stomach. Some individuals may experience mild gastrointestinal discomfort, such as nausea or diarrhea, after consuming large quantities of garlic. This can be more common when garlic is consumed raw or in concentrated forms. In summary, while garlic is generally regarded as a healthy food with numerous potential benefits, it's not suitable for everyone in all circumstances. People with specific health issues or concerns, such as digestive sensitivity, bleeding disorders, upcoming surgery, allergies, GERD, or medication interactions, should exercise caution or avoid garlic as advised by their healthcare provider. For the majority of individuals, moderate garlic consumption as part of a well-balanced diet can provide a range of health benefits without causing adverse effects. However, if you have any doubts or questions about garlic's suitability for your specific situation, it's always best to consult with a qualified healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized guidance. They can help you make informed decisions about your diet and overall health.